Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a QR return on Amazon. The specific item that I'm returning is nutritional yeast. There's something bad about it. It's kind of spoiled. But anyways, if you're asking the question, what is a QR return on Amazon and how to do it, I'll show you how to do that and how to change that if you don't want to do it. So as you can see here, I got a QR form with a little code that I put in the box. And what this is, a QR form, is basically you have to drop it off to a specific location that Amazon asks you to return it to, and they'll give you like 3 or 4 different options depending on your location. So you can see here they give me about 4 or 5 different options here, one being Kohl's, Amazon Hub, which is like little lockers that they have at 7-Elevens and different places across the city. And then they have some that are like, at Whole Foods, for example. Unfortunately, if you've got a QR code return label, you're not able to physically give it to USPS, the United States Postal Service, or UPS. They won't take it. Only the designated place that you can see here listed. And Amazon wants you to do this because then they don't have to pay for free shipping, even though there's something defective about the product. If you're in the area and you want to do that, so be it. Go ahead and do it. But if you want to avoid doing it, or if you've already printed out the QR label, which I did, you can reverse this and get a real label from UPS. So what you do here is on the left column, if you haven't placed your order yet and you're asking what a QR label is, this gives you some different options. But if you go all the way down here to the bottom, on the return screen of your particular item, this is nutritional yeast, you click here, it says see more return options. UPS, that's probably what I'll choose, so I can just drop it off to my local UPS. And if you want to have them pick them up at your home, which a lot of people will choose that option, you could just choose to pick it up to home. So you just choose this right here, and then they'll verify your address, and you say yes, and then they'll pick up a time where you can just leave it outside or give it to UPS when they come to your place. Now, if you have already accidentally printed out a QR slip barcode, no needs to worry because you can cancel it. Okay, if you've already started your QR return, the good thing about that is you can cancel a QR return anytime you want. The only returns that you can't cancel is if you print a UPS label. And so if you printed a label out like this with a QR, you're fine. You can just go back. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your orders and on the upper right of Amazon, and then scroll down until you see the item that you just canceled, and you can see here it says return started. Over here on the right section, it's going to give you a chance to cancel the order or cancel the cancellation and the return request. So basically you click on that, and it would be right here on the right side where you can cancel that request. And then you can go back in there and you can print a label from UPS back to the original screen that I showed you. Just make sure, you can drop it off to a UPS and then they'll package it for you, or they'll come to you and get the package. You just give them the QR label. But preferably, I'd rather just print out a UPS label. And you'll see that option there below when you choose other options there on the bottom of the screen. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.